Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is AUDJPY. So let's check the date and time first. So I'm going to refresh. Currently it is 10:41 a.m. Thursday 6th of August 2026 in EST. So I will be entering this trade at 11 a.m. okay, in next 19 minutes. So let's come back here, and this is the running candle. So I told you I'll enter this trade in 20 minutes. The direction will be long. Okay, so we will be entering in this running candle, and we'll go long, and the take profit is this black line. So we'll be expecting maybe how many 55 pips in this trade. We'll see how it goes, but we are expecting anything above 50 pips in this trade. AUDJPY. Okay, cool. So once we take our profit, I'll come back and record the take profit video. It's a long trade, and subscribe, like, and share. Join the program, otherwise you will never get these trades. So help yourself. I'll see you again. Alright guys, we're back with that take profit video. So as you can see, the price has touched the black line here. But let's go and check the time first. So I'm gonna refresh it. Currently it is 1:36 p.m. Monday 10th of August 2026 in EST. Coming back to the 4-hour time frame, AUDJPY. So I have no idea where did we enter. Maybe on this candle. So we entered somewhere maybe on this candle here, on this blue candle. And let me show you the trade right here. So AUDJPY is right here at the bottom. So we entered at 1111.43, so 1111 or 111.43, and we were out at 95. So we made 52 pips in this trade. 43.95, so that means 52. Yeah. So AUDJPY, we made 52 pips in this trade. That's the trade for you. We were out at this black line, and the trade was hit maybe 12 hours ago, maybe 10 hours ago, maybe 8 hours ago. I have no idea. I have so many trades running. Okay, if you look at this screen here, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 trades already done and dusted. So totally you could see how much money did I make. And it's not about the money, it's about being right. For me, whether you make 10 bucks or 10 million or 10,000, it's about being right. Okay, so money can be different for everybody, but the pips will be the same. For example, if I made 52 pips in this trade, I made 6,000 something something. If somebody else was trading with $1 million, they would have made millions in this trade. Somebody trading with only $100 will make maybe 5-10 bucks. Okay, so it all depends. But anyways, long story short, nothing happens if you don't take action. So I make these videos for fun because I don't have to. I can take my trades in the back end. I can keep making my money. I do this just for some people who might be interested in real trading. Okay, in this industry, you have to understand there are idiots out there. Idiots mean they have done nothing in their life. All they know is that, oh, this guy's a scammer. He doesn't show you everything. He doesn't show any losses. Well, I will show you the losses if I lose. So, you cannot take away idiots out of the internet. They will always be there. But yeah, so everything is in front of your eyes. If you don't believe your eyes, that means you're doubting yourself. Okay, your eyes, you can see what happened. I show you when I enter the trade with the time. I show you when I exit out of a trade with the time. All the proofs are there. If you don't believe your eyes, then the problem is inside you. The only way you can help yourself is by helping yourself. So either you get into the program, join the program, swing like a pro, or just keep doubting yourself. Subscribe, like, and share till I see you again.